Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas wreath. And if you are new to my channel and like to be a part of the KK family, just hit that notification and subscribe button, and welcome to the family. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's get to it. So the first thing we are going to do is just thread all of our ornaments through this fishing line, and you can move them and arrange them any way you would like after you finish threading them. We're done with that. We are just going to take the end of one of the lines and stick it through the wreath and tie it in a double knot, and you can also put some super glue on the knot to secure it and make sure it stays in place. Once we are done with that, we are just going to take our ornaments and wrap them around and twist them around our wreath. And I thought this was a cute little simple wreath. It kind of looked like a little Christmas basket to me. So once we have them arranged the way we would like, we're just going to wrap it around again and tie off our fishing line. You can add more ornaments, and you can actually just wrap the whole wreath in ornaments if you would like. I got all these ornaments from Dollar Tree. Now we are just going to make a bow, which I've made multiple bows on this channel. So if you want to see how I made a bow, just click that link in the top right corner. Now we're just going to tie off our bow at the top and then hot glue it once we tie it in place. And then lastly, we are just going to take these little snowflake ornaments and hot glue them to each side. And you can also tie fishing line around the snowflake so it stays in place as well. And so guys, that wraps it up for this simple look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next time, I'm so sorry this video was super fast. I mean, you know, Thanksgiving was yesterday, so it's kind of like a rushed video, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time.